In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, customize, and link text in Wix. If you're looking to personalize your Wix website by adding unique text elements, or if you're simply trying to make sure your text is eye-catching and effectively linked, you'll find this guide very helpful. Let's dive right in and walk through each step slowly so you can follow along at your own pace. First, head over to the Wix website editor. Once you're there, look for the option to add elements. This is usually found in the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Clicking here will give you access to a variety of different elements that you can add to your page, such as images, buttons, and what we're focusing on today, text. After clicking on Add Elements, your next move is to select text from the list of available options. Clicking on text will offer you a range of text styles you can choose from. Take your time to browse through these styles and select one that fits the design aesthetic of your website. This choice is important as it sets the tone for how visitors will perceive your content. Once you've chosen a text style, click on it to add it to your page. With your text element now placed, click on Edit Text. This will allow you to modify the default text, and it's where you'll begin customizing. Here, you can choose a font that best matches your style. Wix offers a variety of font options, so feel free to experiment and find one that you feel represents your brand or message. Next up, type in the font size that you want. Adjusting the font size can help draw attention to important information. Whether you're making headlines bold or body text consistent and readable, the size can make a major difference in how your content is perceived. After setting your text size, it's time to add some flair by clicking on Animation and Effects. This will allow you to customize your text further. Animations can add a dynamic touch to your site, making your text stand out as visitors scroll through your page. You can choose from several effects such as fades, slides, and zooms, to name a few. Pick an animation that aligns with the overall feel of your website for a cohesive look. If you want your text to provide additional functionality, you can add a link. Click on Link in the text options, which will open a menu allowing you to specify what the text should link to. This could be an internal page on your site, an external URL, an anchor, or even a downloadable file. Choose the linking option that suits your needs. To complete the process, decide on a page for linking and type in any highlight text you want included. This allows you to emphasize important parts of your text with a different color or style, ensuring that your key messages stand out. Finally, once all your customizations are in place, click on Done to save all changes. Now your text is not only informative but also engaging and functionally linked, enhancing your site's user experience. That wraps up today's video on customizing text in Wix. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.